In this question, they are given that principal is rupees 4,000. Rate of interest is 5% per annum, which is compounded annually. And we are asked to find the amount after 2 years. So in this case, I prefer to use the logical method instead of the school method. See, 5% per annum means on 100 rupees, 5 rupees will get added in the first year. Then for the second year, it will be 105 as the principal and 5% added to 105 for the second year. This is what compounding actually is. So I'll use this logic to find the answer. So after the first year, the amount will be 105% of rupees 4,000. That is the initial principal. So 105% of 4,000 is 105 upon 100 multiplied by 4,000, which comes to rupees 4,200. Okay, so this 4,200 becomes the principal for the second year. So after the second year, the amount will be 105% of 4,200. So it will be 105 upon 100 multiplied by 4,200. So simplifying this, we get the amount as 4,410, which is after 2 years. Okay, so this is our required answer. In this question, they are given that rate of interest is 10% per annum, which is compounded annually. Amount after 2 years is rupees 2,420, and we are asked to find the principal. So in this case, I would like to start with the principal of 100x. Okay, so after the first year, 100x will get an addition of 10% and become 110x. Okay, so this 110x becomes the principal for the second year. So in the second year, another 10% will get added to this 110x and it will become 121x. So this 121x is the amount after 2 years. So this 121x in this case is equal to 2,420. So we'll write it like this. 121x is equal to rupees 2,420. Therefore, 100x, that is principal, is equal to how much? So how much? So you can just write it P and then cross multiply. So cross multiplying, we get P is equal to 2,420 multiplied by 100x upon 121x. So simplifying this, we get P as rupees 2,000. This is the principal that we need, and this method I find it much easier than the usual method, isn't it? In this question, they are given rate as 15% per annum, which is compounded annually again. The interest for 2 years is given as rupees 3,225, and we are asked to find the principal. The solution to this question will be quite similar to the previous question's solution that I've already shown. I'll start with the principal of 100x. Okay, so after first year, 100x will get an addition of 15% and become 115x. So this 115x becomes the principal for the second year. So there will be another addition of 15% in the second year on this 115x. So calculating 15% of 115x and adding it to it, we get 132.25x. So the interest part, that will be 132.25x minus 100x. So 2 years interest will be something like this. Interest is 132.25x minus 100x. So 32.25x becomes the interest for the 2 years. So which is the number they are given as 3,225. Let's equate this. So 32.25x is equal to rupees 3,225. So we are asked to find 100x, that is principal. So we'll use this 100x is equal to as P and just cross multiply. So cross multiplying, we get P is equal to 100x multiplied by 3,225 divided by 32.25x, which gives us a principal of rupees 10,000. This is the required answer.